Welcome back, everybody. This is Ozza Rides, and this is a $42 Amazon LED headlight. Let's talk about it. This headlight here is just not doing it. I think this is the stock Drag Specialties headlight bucket that you need for the fairing and everything. It's not bright enough. It's just not good enough. So I picked up a $40 headlight off of Amazon LED. So we're gonna pop that in, and I've got some comparisons to show you. I'll show you night with this, night with the new. Direct comparison. Something I've been looking for. Let's get to it. Old. New. Looks like it's the Daymaker style. Seems okay. The plastic inside seems a little cheap. I don't know if you can tell. Let's get this thing on there. How about that? I got this little neat thing from Harbor Freight. Really dumb, but it's gonna come in handy right now. So we're having some difficulties here because of these guys. It's hitting the headlight bowl and not letting it sink all the way in. I'm gonna try filing them down a little bit. I think I finally got it to where it'll fit. Let's see if they fit in here. Looks like I got it to fit in there finally. Then we're gonna get night footage, of course, but let me show you what it looks like. That's definitely gonna be a lot brighter. Let's wait for night and then go do some light tests with this thing.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, here we are. It is nighttime. Definitely the same day. Get my little butter cam adjusted here. Then we'll take it to the sky. Take it to the sky. There you go. So this is what the light looks like, just in your normal everyday average use. I'd say it looks pretty bright. Looks like an LED. Sure, it's not the brightest you could get by far, duh, but it's definitely pretty bright. Here you go. We'll get some dark views. Let's show you some brights. Whoa, that is bright. God damn, that thing is nuts. Oh man, that's cool. Makes seeing through a tinted visor real easy, which of course I don't ride with a tinted visor, so I don't know what the use for that would be. But you don't need to hear my opinion. You don't need to hear what I think it looks like. Look at them brights. Not bright. Bright? Not bright. But we're gonna come up to the super dark section here, so you're gonna get a good look. Oh, I probably look so dumb. I love it. I need to get used to people just staring at me though. I've been doing YouTube for like 2 years and I still am not used to people staring at me. Alright boys, here we go. Pitch black here. Let's hit it with some brights. There we go, that helps. Brights off. Brights on. Alright, I think that'll do it. Look at how fucking bright that is. $40 headlight, guys. $40. Alright, let's get on the freeway. God, I love this thing. And if you're enjoying these exhaust tones, you better tune in for the next episode, because it is exhaust flavored. So yeah, I mean, if you're just looking for a quick, cheap, easy LED headlight, and you're down to break off a couple of the heat pins on the back, I recommend it. I mean, I made it work. I'm an idiot, and I made it work. So I'm sure there was a better way to do it, but whatever. And if I can make it work, as you all know, that means anyone can make it work, 100%. So if you want to pick yourself up one of these cheap little headlights, grab yourself a quick LED, maybe a holdover light, I've got it linked down below. That is my affiliate link, so I do get a little kickback if you go through that link, because I make negative money on YouTube. Very, very negative money, so I'm not getting paid for this stuff. Yeah, but let me know, what headlights are you guys running? You run LEDs? You like incandescence better? You like a warm color temp, a cold color temp? Tell me what you got. Tell me what you're working with, and tell me what you want. What's the one headlight you want? I know everybody wants Somehow Designs LP6 right now, right? I'll put in a little side-by-side of the two headlights going down the same consistent road at the same time, almost the same speed. So you'll get to see side-by-side and how they illuminate the same objects, you know? But thank you for coming to check out my video, guys. Make sure you show up for the next one. We're going over the cool shit. We're doing exhaust next time. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps me out. The motivation. Not just the motivation, but it's the algorithm. The more you guys interact, the more the algorithm, the more friends we all get to have here, the more cool shit we get to do. But I will see you guys in the next video, and until then, y'all ride safe now, you hear?